Alright, let's talk Bucharest. This city is loud, weird, charming, infuriating, and somehow still standing. You walk past the Parliament building, one of the largest buildings on earth, and right in front of it, a guy selling socks on a tarp. Sometimes they sell books. That's Bucharest. No filter, no logic, all vibe. And whilst the city buzzes with honking sirens and those endless construction sites that fix nothing, Romania is heading into presidential elections this Sunday. Yoo-hoo! It's that time again. The memes come out, the promises fly, and almost half the country collectively sighs, does it even matter? Spoiler, it does. Bucharest isn't pretty in the traditional sense. It's more like chaotically hot. Yeah. The kind of city that looks like it's been through 5 breakups, a bunch of revolutions, and still went out last night and made it home somehow. You'll find the 19th century palace next to a modern glass box bank. You'll find the crumbling communist block next to a minimalist place selling 40 lei smoothies. That's like $9. It's contradiction. Concentrated. And yet, despite everything, the traffic, the political deja vu, it works. Kind of. If you're visiting or even if you lived here forever, let me throw out a few places that capture Bucharest weird greatness other than the old town. Yes. That favorite tourist trap. These places are loud, beautiful, imperfect. I like Cismigiu Gardens. Lots of pigeons there, but however, Romanians have this habit of feeding pigeons on the streets, and they're like designated spots somehow. They gather so many pigeons, and it's just pretty. I've seen people feeding them on like pretty much every boulevard. For example, one of the places would be on Corneliu Coposu Boulevard, right there at Piața Sfânta Vineri. So Sfânta Vineri Square. That would be like Saint Friday Square, which is weird when I say it in English. Yeah. Oh boy, I like the Carol Park as well. I think it's a little bit underrated. I mean, I know it's just a park. Most of the people go to Cismigiu Park, Herăstrău Park. Now, Sunday. Romania chooses its next president. And yes, I know, we've all heard the speeches, seen the recycled slogans, watched candidates. But I think voting isn't about loving a candidate. It's about choosing who won't ruin your next 5 years. And that's not nothing. I get the fatigue, the apathy, the what's the point mentality. I know it's hard to stay motivated when nothing seems to change, or when the politicians switch parties more than we switch SIM cards. Bucharest is messy. So is Romania. So is life. But if we don't show up, the mess doesn't just stay. It gets worse. So whether you love the city or love to hate it, just remember it's our chaos and it deserves better. So vote and complain later. Proudly. That's it. If you're still listening, congrats! Your attention span beats the national average. Comment if you've ever tripped on a Bucharest sidewalk. And I shall see you after the elections.